Y'all with a little Acappella beforehand the mic over to another MC. You know what I'm saying? It's dedicated my man Nick Jack, he love this shit. I said, you a snow flurry, plus you so worried. I'm an avalanche, I'm the fucking man. Make you do the hammer dance when the hammer bland, trying to get the brand stuck in D's in the caravan. I say to myself, you raping yourself. I'm hot like the chamber you felt. Why your shit stay on the shelf? I'm taking a belt, I'm making it melt. Edgar Allan pages is felt, my poetry deep, I flow for the streets. Overdosing on beats, so go against the grain or open your cheek. Stop hating, nigga, notice a G. If you ain't my blood type, you ain't rolling with me. Fuck out of here. You shit out of luck like Alky's running out of beer. I spit diarrhea, try to run up in the lair. Far from ugly, but I'm spitting flavor in your ear. The end is near, Mr. Pesci, bring the terror. Yeah!
Give it up for my man one time. Dro Pesci. Open up the mixtape.